Well, welcome to this demonstration video for the LogixOne B2b Portal. Often we get asked by our B2b portal customers how they might extend additional discounts to their customers or their B2B accounts. Well, you can actually do that from the B2b portal itself, and you can configure all of that within inside Zoho CRM. B2b portal leverages two concepts. One we call tiered discounts, and the other we call revenue discounts, which is here. The tiered discounts, and both of these can be assigned either both of them or individually to each account that you've got. The difference basically is on a tiered discount, what that basically means is that if the customer places an order for a quantity, a certain quantity, they shall receive additional discount. So you can see in this example, we've got the tiered one, minimum purchase is 1, maximum purchase is 7, and they will receive a 12% discount. The tiered 2 is if they purchase anything from 8 up to 15, they'll get an additional 5, and tier 3 is 16, minimum 16 to 21, they'll get additional 5%. And it's quite easy to modify these. So basically what I can do is I can go into the tier number 1 and come in here and then change the discount. So let's say this is around the wrong way. So if they're purchasing between 1 and 7, they only get 2% discount. Okay, so I can do that, click save, and then click the button here to sync it with the B2b portal. So that's basically sync that with the B2b portal. And now if I go into revenue discounts, well, as the name suggests, revenue discounts are based on the amount of revenue that a customer might purchase in one order. So if we go here to level 1 revenue discounts, you can see that any total order value of between $101 to the value of $2,500 receives an additional discounting percentage of 2%. Okay, and again, to modify that is easy. Just come in here. Let's say, no, we're going to be a little bit more generous, and we're going to offer a 10% discount for anyone that purchases between $101 and $2,500. All right, and then again, we'll just sync that with the B2B portal. All right, so we've created our revenue discounts, but then the question is, how do we apply those to accounts? So we don't want to, in most cases, we may not want to extend these discounts to every account. All right, so what we can do is do that on an account by account basis. So you can see, I'm going to jump into the B2B portal now. You can see I'm in this company here, Alex company, and then I'm going to go here and I'm going to find the Alex company. All right, let's just make sure that's the right one. 222. All right, so it's this one here, and we'll go into that account. Now, if we scroll down to the B2B section, you'll see that they're active in the B2B portal, and here's all their items, but you'll see they haven't been associated to the tiered discounting structure. All right, so what we're going to do is that's what we're going to do. So we're going to come here, we're going to tick this box that they are now associated to the tiered discounting structure. And so now what will happen is they'll get the advantage of that tiered discounting structure. And now that I've added the Alex company to the tiered discounting pricing structure, all I need to do now is sync the account with the B2B portal. Okay, and that's been completed. And then what I'll do is go back into the portal for this customer, and now you'll notice that they can see the tiered discounting structure, which is here. Okay, and I'll just simulate that again. I'll also add them to the revenue discounting structure if you wanted to do that as well. Okay, and if we go back into the B2B portal and then we refresh, you can see now they have access to the revenue discount. Say 15 of those. All right, go back into our cart, check out, and now you can see there's that 5% that's been added because they've in that 15%, the quantity of 15 in the tiered discounting structure. All right. you'll also notice that they don't qualify for the revenue discount because the total amount is $27. Whereas in the revenue here discounting structure, they need to be spending at least $101. All right, so that's pretty simply how the tiered and revenue discount structures work. If you have any questions at all, please do reach out to us. We'd be more than happy to jump on a call and discuss this and give you some more help in setting this up.